NeilMed Sinugator Cordless Pulsating Nasal Wash, the cordless pulsating nasal wash that makes nasal rinsing more effective. This video will guide you through how to use the NeilMed Sinugator safely and correctly. Before beginning, make sure your hands are clean. First, insert the supplied batteries and assemble the device with the tip securely attached. Fill the reservoir to the line with lukewarm, distilled, previously boiled or commercially bottled water. Add one pre-mixed packet, attach the cap, and shake gently till the mixture dissolves. Lean forward, place the tip in one nostril, and press the power button to activate the pulsating rinse. Repeat in the other nostril. Gently blow your nose